So next topic is around the year. So the way I understand, we're going to go like in small topics, like separate topics, separate issues. So we start with Rosh Hashanah, and very interesting topic, Hataras Nedarim, right? Annulment of the vows, Hataras Nedarim. There is a widespread custom to recite Hataras Nedarim on Erev Rosh Hashanah. This annuls any vow a person has taken upon herself throughout the year. Men do this in a shul after davening Shacharis, right? So, okay. So how do the men do? So we assemble into groups, and a group of 3 people. You must have three people, kosher people, of course, Shomer Shabbos people. They need not to be like great scholars, right? But simple kosher Shomer Shabbos people, and then we read a special text. I'm talking about men. So a man reads, and they listen to what you say, and they read to you that that all of the vows are annulled. Of course, it's only vows between us and Hashem. Whatever a person said that I'm going to do, I don't know. I'm going to learn 5 hours every day Torah, and then did not work so well for him. He did only 15 and a half minutes, right? Unfortunately, so yeah, he can annul this vow, right? But whatever the vows between men and men, you cannot annul. So it's only Christians, right? They say, yeah, okay, I don't want to pay this guy. Okay, so this priest say, yeah, okay, give us $500, and you don't have to pay back 5,000. I mean, who cares? You understand? And Judaism does not work this way. No, you cannot annul. If you promise somebody to do something for other person, it says between you and him. Nobody can annul this value. Well, continue. This annuls any vows a person has taken upon herself throughout the year. Okay. Men do this in a shul after davening Shacharis, we just explained. In some communities, the women do this as well, in the presence of 3 men. The men are allowed to be related to each other and to the woman, though her husband may not be one of the men. And it's actually from Shulchan Aruch. So let's finish reading, and we're going to explain. In some communities, the wife simply makes her husband her emissary, and he asks 3 men to annul her vows for her. That's actually the most common thing, right? So, I mean, if you have a big family, for example, or you have grown-up sons or brothers, or your brothers, let's say your father, so they can be these 3 men, and you stand. I'm talking about a woman. So a woman can stand in front of this man, and she can read the text, and they can reply. So of course it's not proper for a woman to stand in front of strange men. It's absolutely not. So that's why women cannot be witnesses in court, right? Not to embarrass a woman, right? That's Torah always cares. Hashem always cares about dignity of a woman in Judaism. So that's why he said, okay, it's better. Hashem said, it's better for me leave this case. I'm going to take care of it. I'm going to bring justice to the world, but not for this Jewish woman to be embarrassed or stand in front of the man, then let them have illicit thoughts. It's very interesting, right? So, but if it's family, it's a different issue. But the most common, I would say, in our circles, just men stand before this court. So first he's going to do this Hataras Nedarim for himself, and then for his wife. There's a little different language, but I think it's included in Sidurim. So he said, okay, so she can make him her emissary. There is no problem. Okay, especially for this. Continue. In some high schools, the girls recite Hataras Nedarim as a group in front of 3 men. See Rav Eliezer in Ashrei Chalsh. Okay, so I never heard about this custom, but of course, okay. I mean, if Rav Eliezer said that's okay, that's okay. All right. So probably 3 teachers, I would say. that so the girls, so the teachers would be allowed. Okay.